We all know one thing very well about Elon Musk, that if this guy wants to do something, then no one can stop him. And Tesla, the world's best-selling EV car company, has now spread its foot in a new market as well. Yes, you're right. Today we'll look at Tesla's new 4680 second-generation battery cell. Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, recently announced the results of Q3, stating that production of Tesla's 4680 battery has increased 3 times over the previous quarter. So today, we'll talk about how the increased production of this battery will affect the Tesla brand, and how this battery will impact the entire electric vehicle industry. Where will the battery be used? Tesla's main issue has always been capacity. This was especially noticeable when the Model 3 was introduced in market, and to understand what lies ahead, we must first determine which battery will be used in which vehicle. According to reports, these batteries will be used in the Tesla Model Y, and the production of the Model Y is now completely dependent on the production of the 4680 battery. So far, no such confirmation's been made that it'll also be utilized in Cybertruck. However, there's a great possibility that it'll be added in Cybertruck. There was a confirmation from Elon about these batteries that it will not be used in the new Tesla semi-truck because they're insufficient for delivering the required power, and if used in the Tesla Semi, they'll add unnecessary weight to the vehicle. And I think there's one more reason. If Semi's production ramps up as expected after launch, its need for batteries may compete with that of the energy storage division. What's Tesla's goal? Today, Tesla confirms the actual production rate for the first time in a tweet, stating that the team produced 868,000 4680 battery cells in the previous week, which is sufficient to produce over 1,000 Model Y vehicles. That means Tesla can now produce 52,000 electric vehicles per year with the 4680 battery. But Elon's thinking differently. He wants to produce 1,000 gigawatts per year in the United States. Musk predicted at the meeting that the world will require 300,000 to 400,000 gigawatts in the future for automobiles and storage. And that's why he set up a new pilot line in Fremont to achieve the increasing demands of the global market. In fact, Tesla's 4680 cell pilot plant is expected to be among the top 10 in terms of global capacity. What changes are anticipated with Model Y? Tesla's already begun production of Model Y vehicles at its new Austin headquarters, but the variant Giga Texas is currently producing is unknown. Tesla typically begins production with its top-tier variant, so it's possible that Giga will begin production of the Model Y performance version in Texas. The 4680 structural pack decreases the number of parts used in the battery and the car, which ultimately lowers manufacturing costs. The structural battery pack, according to Tesla, reduces the size of the pack manufacturing line by half when compared to the company's previous factories. Consider the fact that the Tesla Model Y has front megacasts and rear underbody megacasts, which further reduce the vehicle's parts. Tesla's developed a more efficient production line with the Model Y megacasts and the 4680 structural battery pack, which is great for pre-order holders waiting on their Model Y vehicles. Why is mass production of the 4680 batteries so difficult? According to the experts, Tesla's difficulty ramping up 4680 cell production is due to the dry coat electrode process. Because the special process is still new and unproven, the company's struggling to produce at a fast enough rate to cut costs. According to Teslarati, experts believe Tesla will have the dry coat electrode process fully implemented by 2023. We've been saying for a while that we weren't sure what was going on with Tesla's 4680 battery program. There were indications that something was wrong, or that there were details Tesla had not yet shared. While we can't report the experts' statements as facts, the information they've provided corresponds to the mystery surrounding the 4680 cells. We hope to hear more from Tesla in the near future. What makes 4680 batteries so unique? Now, if we want to understand the importance of 4680 batteries, then we have to compare it with its previous version, 2170 batteries. First and foremost, the basic chemistry of the 2170 and 4680 batteries is the same. Looking beyond the obvious similarities, you'll notice a plethora of differences between the 2170 and 4680 batteries. The 4680 weighs more, is larger, and has more milliampere hour per cell than the 2170. In comparison, the nominal voltage of 2170 is higher than that of 4680, but the discharge is lower. Furthermore, the 2170 has been used in both the Tesla Model 3 and the Tesla Model Y, whereas the 4680 has only been used in Tesla Model Ys built in Texas. Finally, the 4680 is an outstanding battery. It has the potential to elevate Tesla once it's implemented across the company's entire line of EVs. This isn't to say that the 2170s aren't better than the 4680s. The transition from the 2170s to the 4680s is a natural one. Both batteries have similar chemistry, but differ in terms of appearance and performance. What's the market status? More big news is coming in the market that BMW Group has stated publicly that its future success in a competitive EV market is heavily reliant on, quote, powerful, innovative, and sustainably produced battery cells. When BMW's New Class or New Class EV architecture is released in 2025, the EV platforms will use newly developed 46mm diameter battery cells, the same larger design Tesla uses. EVE Energy in China, which was reportedly going to produce the 4680 EV cells for BMW, was one of the interested parties. BMW has contracts in place with 2 battery manufacturers and is looking for a third to meet the anticipated demand for its new 46mm cells. Furthermore, we've learned that the automaker is handing out billions of dollars to battery companies to build gigafactories in Europe, China, and the USMCA free trade zone. BMW believes that by leveraging its 6 planned gigafactories, the cost of its 6th generation of battery cells can be reduced by up to 50% based on current market assumptions. And, in my opinion, as new companies enter the market to manufacture this battery, its use in EV vehicles will increase. So, if Tesla's to maintain its market-leading position as the leading manufacturer of electric vehicles, it'll need to increase its own production and launch its vehicles at low prices. Now it's time to take a look at Tesla's performance so far. Tesla's net income for the third quarter was $3.3 billion, nearly almost double $1.62 billion earned in the same period last year. Profits were jammed by increases in raw material costs as well as issues ramping up production at its Germany and Texas factories. And now Tesla, to increase its revenues, is almost ready to release its low-cost electric vehicle batteries. Overall, Tesla's next-generation battery packs powered by the innovative 4680 cells can save up to $5,500, or 50%, over the current 2170 battery packs. The company's been working on the project with Panasonic for several years, and it has the potential to upend the electric vehicle, or EV, industry and pave the way for a new, lower-cost Tesla model. Panasonic claims that the 4680 batteries differ from standard EV batteries in several ways. These 4680 batteries will be available to anyone who desires them, and they'll most likely be much less expensive than current options, as they use less expensive materials and require less labor to assemble. Tesla's new Panasonic batteries are nearly ready for release, and they're expected to be significantly less expensive than previous models. These next-generation cells will undoubtedly power tomorrow's EVs, and we can't wait to see what they can do. While we don't yet have all of the details, these batteries appear to be a game-changer for both Tesla and the automotive industry as a whole. These new batteries will be available in April 2023, and maybe this could help Tesla maintain its position as the world's leading provider of electric vehicles, despite recent market competition. Don't worry, we'll keep you updated as soon as we learn more. So, what are your thoughts? Will Tesla's new low-cost EV batteries dominate the market? That's it for now. Now it's your turn to share your thoughts on Tesla's new battery in the comments section. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe,